Inheritance in Python allows child classes to inherit attributes and methods from parent classes, promoting code reuse and efficient organization. This cornerstone of object-oriented programming helps model real-world relationships, enabling developers to create sophisticated class hierarchies and build scalable, maintainable software. Inheritance in Python is fundamental for creating complex class hierarchies. It allows child classes to inherit attributes and methods from parent classes, facilitating efficient code organization. This mechanism models real-world relationships, enhancing the scalability and maintainability of software by promoting code reuse and logical class structures. Inheritance in Python models an is-a relationship, establishing clear class hierarchies. For instance, a dog is a animal, inheriting animal traits. This allows child classes to reuse and extend parent class functionality, promoting the don't repeat yourself principle. Hierarchical organization enhances code intuitiveness, maintainability, and mirrors real-world structures. The parent class, or base class, provides foundational attributes and methods, defining general characteristics for its child classes. The child class, or derived class, inherits these attributes, adding or overriding functionalities. For instance, dog, a child class, inherits from animal, gaining attributes like age and name, while introducing specific behaviors like bark. This UML diagram visually represents inheritance. The arrow signifies the extends relationship, with dog as the child class inheriting from animal, the parent class. Animal defines general attributes like name, age, and species, while dog adds specific features such as breed and bark. Inheritance eliminates code duplication by sharing common methods and attributes across related classes, reducing redundancy. It models real-world hierarchical relationships, making code intuitive and aligned with domain concepts. This enhances maintainability, facilitating long-term scalability and adaptability to changing requirements through organized class structures. In Python, inheritance is implemented using a simple syntax. Define a parent class with shared attributes and methods. Child classes inherit these by specifying the parent class in parentheses. This allows for creating complex class hierarchies efficiently, promoting code reuse and logical organization. The parent class, such as animal, establishes a shared structure for child classes. It includes an init method to initialize common attributes like name and age. Methods like eat and sleep define universal behaviors. This ensures code reuse and logical consistency across the inheritance hierarchy, forming a robust foundation for child classes.